So I don't really think I do that well in jail. Tequila got me moving slower than 2 snails a postman. Who you know they got it like this? Only chubby kid you know they end up taking it, bitch. Wanna leave, I hit the Uber, we could bounce real quick. I get you out like Johnny Cochran and I mean that shit. Young chubby